Everybody, I'm back real quick to share with you the finished cards plus the hauls that I was mentioning on my live video yesterday. Now I did do this live. I made 3 easel cards. Sorry for the zooming, but I did make 3 easel cards live. I only had finished one of them. I don't even remember which one it was, but I did finish after the fact, after dinner and everything, and I wanted to show you how they look all done. And then I wanted to share with you my haul. So let me just go ahead. I did use this paper pad here from Recollections. It's called Rose Quartz, found at Michael's. I used it because it was literally on top of the stack of stuff that I have just down below my desk. So I needed to print out a few things, so I printed out 2 that say mom, and then 1 that says sister, and then the sentiment inside. So instead of signing it, I decided to just type it in. So I typed it, you know, with my husband, my name, and my cat Haley. I usually sign it with our pets' names as well. So here's one, and they're really pretty and shabby, and they are easel cards. I'm not going to show you the sentiment inside. So they do sit up like so. You can see kind of the backs are finished, and there's just a touch of gesso on here. Not really gesso, but very similar to gesso. So, and they all look alike, but they're not alike, because I did these things in different places, and then on the third one I did an explosion. See, this one has a bird. I did finish using up those 3 pieces from Elizabeth. This one says mom, and all the trims on the bottom are the same. I use the exact same flowers, all the papers the same, just some of the pieces that I use on here are slightly different. So that's that one, and here's the third one, and also says mom on here, and then I put that little nest inside, and it sits up. So it is about a 2-hour video. It was a live video, but if you want to see how I put it together, check that out. It's the previous video to this one. Okay, so let me show you what I got as far as my haul. I have to wrap those up now, and tomorrow I'm going to ship it. I wanted to ship it today, but it got late yesterday, and yeah, we were planning or trying to plan our vacation for June, because we're going to Disney World. Right now I want to just show you this real quick as fast as possible, because I do need to get to my workout. If you do hear some loud noises, it's coming from upstairs. They are what's it called, spray painting the apartment, because the people had just moved out. So yeah, I went to Target for some stuff and ended up getting other things too, but my Walmart had not restocked on these sheet protectors. So I just grabbed this one for now, and I'm not able to find them online easily, so I just wanted to make sure that I had a pack on hand. So they are cheaper though at Walmart. And then I did get, I didn't get too much. I did get these, and I think I've already picked this up before, but I'm not sure. I just couldn't help it. They're called seals, but they're just stickers. They're in the card section. That's why they're called seals, because you can use these to seal your envelopes. And they do have silver foiling. And then I got these cute pups and cats and dogs. Adorable. I love the colors. And then I grabbed this, which I think I already had picked this up before, but I did grab another. These are $2 something each, I believe. And then I found these. These are normally $2.99, and they're actually 3.5 by 5.5, which is the size for a pocket. It's hard to find these sizes. Recollection has them, but you only get, you know, a couple. Well, you get 3, but it's, you know, the calendar and this and that, and all I want are these are lined supposedly. I didn't notice if they had other colors, but that side where the UB stuff is, they have like everything color coordinated. I only grabbed 4 of these, $2.99 each. It's actually not that bad. I'm sure the quality is, it's actually stitched too. But you know, I do get tired of cutting out my own stuff sometimes, and I do like to have these on hand because my hand also hurts every now and then. So, but that's all that I got from Target. And let me put this in the bag because I'll need my desk to finish up other things. I got orders to put together and Mother's Day cards to wrap and pack and TNs to finish. Trying to see what else. Okay, let me show you the Dollar Tree haul. I did go to Dollar Tree. I was looking for the little teeny tiny batteries, which they did not have. But since I was there, I did pick up this 4-color stylus pen. And I think it has like a rubber grip here. So it has the 4 colors. And it's actually a pretty teal color. I want to take this to work. I just needed something for work, and at the same time you got that little stylus on top in case I need it for my phone. And I did get some stickers. So when I do my excuse me, what's it called? Oh my goodness, Wonder Woman theme is actually going to be like a female superhero theme. I wanted a few more stickers with, you know, girl heroes, Supergirls, I guess. And these are really cute because they got the bad guys in here too. It's adorable. So I grabbed a couple. And then they had this, and yeah, I couldn't resist this little unicorn / princess theme. It's adorable. Look at this one. So I did get 2. I was lucky to find the Mother's Day cards with the unicorn. And I do intend on either covering this and reusing it as it is, or taking out the unicorn, but I did grab 4. It does say I love you, happy Mother's Day. You can even use that back rainbow there too. So I'm just going to throw this in with my unicorn stash. I picked up 1 more of these containers just to have, just in case, to alter or for storage. That's the only one that I have left now. And then they had these. I thought these were cute, although you can do your own flower light thing, because some people had altered these in the past and put a flower in there. I think I had received one too, but these are already made. There's foam flowers on them. Did I only grab that? Yeah, I think that's all I grabbed. They also had a red one. So I haven't tried these out. I'm hoping that they do have batteries in here, because then I'll have to get batteries. Yeah, it says to remove the plastic insert from the bottom and then it'll turn on. So I grabbed the 2 of the light pink and then 1 in white. So they're just those tea lights, the battery powered tea lights with a foam flower on it. So I grabbed those. And probably going to gift them. I grabbed another one of these. They're back. And these are the hardcover photo albums. I like to alter these and gift them. Usually it's to my family, because that's when I have a whole bunch of pictures to put in there. And I try to get something where if I don't cover it in paper, it'll still be pretty. So I grabbed this one. And I found this tissue paper with the rose gold foiling in there and pale pink. And I think it's just those 2 colors. There might be some white in there, I don't know. There's 3 hot stamps and 3 solid color. So I guess 3 and 3. And then lastly, I did find some more of the macaroons. They had like 4, but only these 2 were decent enough for me to pick up. There's that noise. I did find the pink. I didn't have this color, and I got the blue. I didn't have this color. I have the one that's like a sort of like a lavender color, but they're not perfect. This one has where the paint didn't really, you know, it's not a scratch or anything or a chip, it's just the paint. But at least this one, the little lock mechanism or whatever that is on here. The first one I bought didn't have it. And then this one has little like air bubbles that popped. I don't even know if it shows, but I'm okay with that. It was the best out of the 4. So at least now I got 3 of this size. And I'm not sure. I thought I was going to use them for something else, but I think I'm just going to scatter them in my room because they're so pretty. Okay, so then that was all from Dollar Tree. Let's put this back in. They got some really cute things for Mother's Day. But I just, you know, I'm trying not to get some. I wasn't even supposed to get anything, period. Nothing. I just needed the batteries. They didn't have them, so yeah. I can't help it. It's a disease. And then lastly, I went to Hobby Lobby, and this I've never seen there before. Oh man, I got. So I did grab a couple. This is where the felt is. I should have taken these out, but that's okay. And it's like thick glitter, and it just reminds me of the colors for mermaid stuff. It's that, what's it? It doesn't really tell you. It's like canvas type. $1.67 regular price. I don't think I got this on sale or with a coupon. On clearance, I got these really cute fabric applique for 75 cents. It's so pretty. And I have some paper or like a kit that has sewing theme. Okay, there we go. So I thought somehow I could use this. I don't know if you just sew this on or iron it on, but hand wash or spot clean. It just says easy to use. Oh, pin in position and sew or apply with fabric glue. So I could just adhere it down to whatever I'm going to use. The main reason why I went to Hobby Lobby is because I was super low on pink sequins, and Hobby Lobby is the only place that I found pretty pink sequins. And I did get, I thought I had another, the 3 sizes that they carry. It's called bubblegum, but it's 5mm, 8mm, and 10mm. So this is the ones that I get for my pinks. But then when I look down, I never really noticed these before. I've seen these flat ones. They're called glitter flat rounds. They're 5mm, and they're sparkly. So I had to get that. It's a different shade. It just says pink. And then I got the blue version of it. So, oh no, something's open. There's the hole. Let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna put tape there. I don't want this stuff going everywhere. Luckily, I do have an extra container for these extra ones. These I have a spot for already. Oh no, there's another one. So yeah, again, Hobby Lobby has my favorite colors that I like to get. These, the white and the, what is it, blue color? Yeah, like a blue in 3 different colors, plus the gold and all that. So I usually get most of my sequins from there. And lastly, from Hobby Lobby, they have their embellishments from Paper Studio, 50% off. And that includes like bling stickers and stuff like that. So for the TNs that I just made, I am going to be putting these on here. They were half off since they're for 4 of the TNs are princess themed. Well, they all are, all 6, but 2 of them are more fairy like Tinkerbell fairy. So I did grab 4, and then I grabbed these because these are cute. So they were $1 each. I did get these to make some paper clips for the Tinkerbell TNs. These, I think I used my coupon on this one. So I gotta use the smaller clips for these. Although they do have another Tinkerbell set, I went with this one. And then lastly, I got finally these. I wanted them last time, but they weren't on sale. I think maybe last week they were, but they're again this week for the Paper Studio. So these are jumping or prancing unicorns. I got the gold ring Now you could use these just to have something fancy or for engagement or wedding, whatever. Then I got this one mostly for the cat ones. It's got the dog. And then this one that it took me a minute. I didn't read this. I'm like, is that a dog? And then it's a gold llama. It's a llama, but they do have, I think, a dog too. That's, you know, full body dog. And then I did get this with the swans for me. And then I grabbed 2 of these charms, succulent charms, 5-piece. I just love the color scheme, and these colors are very similar to the stickers that I have found at Target. So I did grab a couple to put on some of the TNs that I sell and some for me. We'll see. They are $5, but they were half off. So that's all that I got from those stores. I did try to be good in a way, but you know how it is. Okay, so I will be back later. I don't think today, maybe tomorrow or the next day with another video once I'm done with those TNs, so I can show you how they have come out. And when I do show them to you, they will be in the shop at that time. So yeah, this is so pretty. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye now.